Hello, welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on bounce keys in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. Where to find this option? Of course, in the settings menu. We go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility options, and here under interaction and dexterity we are looking for our bounce keys. What does it do? As you can see, prevent accidental key press by setting a delay before a second tap on the same key is accepted. We simply enable this function. We can also change the delay, as you can see here. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.